Okay, so in this video, I want to show you how to make an average and the standard deviation. And maybe you already know, but I just want that we do it in a similar way. So you already have, for example, these different graph, and here you have the data of all of them. And here you have, for example, this graph that of your different points. Now we're going to make an average of all these, and we are going to calculate the standard deviation. So here, like, you have to write average here. Then to calculate it, you just have to have a formula. And if I double click here, I calculate from the first cell to the fifth cell. So here are all the cells that you have. So let me show you. You have to write equal here, average, and here you can see double click. Then they ask you from which value. So I click in the first value, I drag this, and here, so it went from C64 to F64, and I just press enter, and that's all. And you don't have to do this for all of them. You just have to drag here, and here you already have the average of this value. Good. And now we're going to do the same thing with the standard deviation here. So you can go to equal, and here you can have S, and here if you see, you have standard deviation S, standard deviation P, standard deviation. You have different standard deviations, yeah. And so I'm going to show you what are the difference. So to know how to which one you pick, you go here, and you can go to all of them. And now we can just look for a standard. Look, oh, they write a standard deviation like this. So you get, if you look for STDev, you will find all these ones. And here they tell you that which one is the right one. So for example, here this function is available for company blah 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 blah. Estimate the standard deviation on a sample. So this one is good. This one is they tell you that uh, this is for argument, so this is not what we need. The standard deviation as ignore logical values. Here they give you another one. This is for true and false. This is for a population of a given argument, so this is not what we need. So the first one, the standard deviation, we're going to use all of us. We're going to use this one. And here, what you have to do is tell them which is the number. So this to this, yeah, don't take into account the average. So from C63 to F63. Then you go enter and OK. So then you drag again, you go click here on the right part of the box, you drag it down, and here you have this the standard deviation. So very easy. You don't need to do this. I like to color them for me to make it so I don't get confused. So let's do, I don't know, I will put it in blue. Let's suppose this. Now we're going to graph this, and what you can do. So for example, if you already changed the time here, do what take one of these ones, the one that you know that is right. Yeah, for example, go here, copy, and you can paste it. Here you don't have to redo the graph, you just move it to the values that you need. So for example, here this will be the value. Mhm. And this is perfect. Now how we add the standard deviation, very easy. The standard deviation, you go here. Mhm. You go to error bars and you allow them to have error bars, and but the error bars are not the thing that we need. Now you click in the error bars. Now left click and you say format of the error bars, and you said I don't need standard errors, I need to specify the value. And you can go here and go up, and you can add the values that you need. So here, and then the negative ones. So one will be from that go up, and the ones that go. And this is how it would look like. As we will be comparing three different movies, I I think it's a good idea to have, for example, for each movie, the arrow bar, these bars could be the same colors, so this will make it much easier for you to see. And if you have any doubt, just let me know. And have a good day.